ya shata na we dey samini mini bo samini mini on the voice na shada ne dia no nkoba sa na so samini se nei shata dwenum ba ya nwum no tu se piano as e twinum ni ade ono so de be foforo beba nti anwum ne de he wo de ba 1 na 2 hours an nukura no so de ne de aba shata de enti no samini de enti no kasa asemwe ana sa de na shata wale aye na ninti ne samini de nsemwe ba betu dwa se de wo kire mu no ya de etwaso
Everybody holding corner. If missile no true, missile no go throw back. So you just base. For now, it's peace, you know. Peace. Yeah, it's very important that you stress on that. That the youth have to keep the concept of peace in their minds, you know. Right? Yeah, so that anytime there's any lyrical whatever, we can take it to the lyrical war front and back to back make it happen. Yeah.
If from the things where you talk, shut up for tonight, release a disc song, you will reply
sharp.
You say you will respond
sharp. That's the dancer. Is it like they score you when you know what equalize?
Some way.
Yeah, when you get chance for equalize. So down there.
Or they try to go fit come from you.
Oh, well that one if I see empty people, down there go.
It's sharp. Se shata de nyomba ya utumu se chi ono samini a sharp. 1 hour na kuranso 30 seconds na esu but say the peace and omokono ya to so dia mama onapo mama tu say sanyu abeje fan simple kura na na see and anyu wo hye yenom ni ade de otwere yenom nyina de oto ye nso aye issue and de na see de abeto ja twere mkrofo ke kasa na ono de oye nya twem na opese mi nkumi nya sika ye de ma no kwabna ne te so no omo abo anu wa mo bia ndi na Ghana for mo pekasa aya sa na asam na tie obi anya ne hye mo pa mo mehwe se de wo se obi anya bia de obi aye wo na panyum ne mu bia no na sisi obi anya ne de wo yenkɔhwe emra
Mamba bontin embe claim say nyum ne ye media. Let's set that record straight. I never did that. It was a news and not running around say the banner in the year Juman into near me no and I may ma will be. So I have to come out and also protect my business and my image as it is. Kasa ni muna ye kasa no and on bisam say na nyom na kasa no say when there was so tua ne ka de then nyom na ye ho ade and I can say e media. We are sorry say I have kept this till today and I decided not to talk about it, but it's sometimes, just this week, Mel is on radio saying, I'm a greedy person.
Yes.
Don't forget, I did the project with a team. And the team that I did this project with had 59,000 seats out of 120,000 seats. The money that came to me, was 61,000 cities. Okay, 61,000 cities, 61,000, in which I am ready to account for every person. I shot 4 music videos, did 5 documentaries, 7 songs. At the right time, I will break down everything for the whole Ghana, for the whole world to know who is a true greedy person.
Few people have betrayed you.
Yes.
Who do you think has betrayed you?
My people, Ashes, Mel, yes, Bulldog, yes, and Frank Ejekum. Yes.
So.
Hey, now go so hard, Amantan so see the for confusion so wo na pokra where you kwabrane afri position bim ona pokro ya usika chasem bebre tinasi no no utmu asam na hye rough ya beto so na ya free ho no mo twea me kwa me ni chocho mu chopa ne yere papa bi pa shegush echinyam ne animnyam nyina okura ni nyina bi self contain o se ya pa so be manage na wo manage obi anye nipa wo ben no wo ben na pa so wo bra na se wo kunu bi sa te se de ono manage ni kunu ehu eye pa fi se wo ti nipa na se wona ne ye bibia na ye na wo twa wie ya ni kunu ko lanche ni book bi na ja oba papa pa ta ni kunu achi de mu odin and odin se mi etuja.
I mean, if once you understand each other, that's the key to it. I mean, once he has agreed that you should manage him and you understand how to manage him, then that's it. So yes, it's fun because we can wake up at 2 a.m. and say, let's draw this proposal. I mean, if he's not your husband or your sister or you don't share the same bed, it's difficult to do this. Sometimes you have these amazing ideas that you can't wait, you need to discuss. And then there he is. So it's amazing.
The brand OK, apart from music, what else OK translates to money, into money for you?
There are other things that translate into money, like we discussed. There are these tours that are not music related. There are mentorship programs. It translates into money. We go through sponsorship. We go for sponsorships to drive his other things. They translate into money. We are also venturing into paraphernalia. When I say that, I mean clothes and other things. We are now venturing in it. We haven't done it yet, but the core of it is music, because music made him popular. That drives the whole thing. But then we get a lot of other grants and funding that are not music related at all.
Chame kwa me otu oni ha okra solid on point oba no gina na so bebia na ne yan ko chame kwa me no ankasa ono so nanimu asemo na je se ono no enwuma na wo pa ho tuma de ba ye no chesa de boy de wo aye de wo se rap data na sa na nye se wona no o rap ya hu se ye be me gina na so na ne book yi hu asem ya mu no KSM enso aka bibi kakra de afa no ho de nti opena asem opa obi asem but o chame kwa me de superb. Ni book now lunch and I say and also the way etuja.
He has a great woman beside him, you know, and one cannot be talked about without the other, you know. It's their combined energies. But looking at OK as an entertainer, what he has done is exceptional, you know, because for me, the true hallmark of any entertainer, be it music, film, whatever, is longevity. You know, staying relevant, and that's what he's done and continues to do. You know, so for me, that's a high point for me, that he's been able to stay not only relevant, but he's increasing his value. You know, so that for me is the.
Hold on.
I think he's kept his eye on the ball, and when I say kept his eye on the ball, is that there are always changes, there are always trends in entertainment. You know, and if you're able to keep your eye on the ball, you can see where the trends are going and adjust yourself accordingly. You know, he chose a particular focus, so in spite of the ups and downs of the trends, he was able to navigate through it smoothly. You know, he didn't capitulate to any, but sort of navigate himself throughout all the up and down, rising trends and all of that. So that's what I think his trick was.
No krana na KSM dia tuja na nipa no mo hyase anya na ono nkofo bi na hyase na mo nyina tete ada so tun so no de mra bia no sesam de bibi foforo ba a wode ba so atum se gina na so pa ye de wie dia na ne ono aso na ye be gina so ene na wi otua me kwa me ni bu ko pa ho ntoma no o se ehu hia o wi ase obi a obi bi o na adwene mu e wo wadwene mu se ma na nhyemu amfa nko wom UPA said ono ene wode atwere nwuma nti said ensam ne te nwuma no mu ni ade no otua me kwa me e de tuja
Instagram and Twitter and all that ish in quotes.
I believe that this is not just a book. It is a guideline to who I am, where my thinking is, and how I believe that business should be done with me. And you can have all these great ideas in your head, or maybe you write it down on your laptop. But if you don't put it in a book and let people experience it, they will not, these ideas will just be sitting with you, and then it will not crystallize your relationships with businesses and with people. So we launched the book, to make sure that so like you can see that most of our partners are here, most of the people that we work with, we invited them to come and experience it, you know. So it is a guideline to how how the OK brand works. I don't know how to say it.
Yes, it's a brand book anyway. Yes. So it's basically talking about you, your ideology, your reasoning, your concept, your philosophy, your principles,
the logo, the iconography, everything that has got to do with who I am, and then also separating me from a person and a product.
Okay. With OK, there is always an edge.
Ntino yedi weno si Ahosepe no adwada bia no na yede abro nti ha na brema kwan na Ahosepe no yede asie mgidi ye se wankasa no wafa ne ma ba kumienu bi e de free de na yede brɛ na fia mankwa tamaklo ene medi meto aso e de afisam dwumade no abrɛmu.